Welcome to Idea Shop 6. We're down to the last 2 paychecks in the year-long journey of outfitting a full-on woodworking shop by working within a budget of $150 every 2 weeks. With the next to the last check, buy materials to make a bigger, more robust router table. You'll appreciate the larger table surface, the built-in storage, and the convenience of having the router mounted on a removable insert plate. With the final $150 amount, purchase a portable dust collector and a flex hose and fittings for attaching it to tools. You'll be amazed how this improves the air quality in your shop and reduces cleanup chores. Although that's the end of the year-long quest, there are still plenty of other tools and accessories that will make work easier, faster, or more efficient. Find details about some of these choices at woodmagazine.com/IdeaShop6. Now, here's a look at how Idea Shop 6 has shaped up over the last year.